Welcome to Python Programming Power by Guru School. I'm Arun Samal, your guide on this journey. This course is your launchpad into the tech industry, focusing on hands-on learning and real-world applications. Python is the backbone of modern technology, from AI to web development. Our approach, 70% hands-on, 30% theory, so you learn by doing. You'll move beyond concepts and start building projects from day one. Whether you're a beginner or upskilling, this program meets you where you are. Join a community dedicated to growth and success. Let's master Python and unlock endless opportunities together. Python drives innovation in data science, AI, web development, and automation. Its readable syntax and open-source nature make it accessible and powerful. Python's object-oriented design and vast libraries let you build anything, anywhere. This course is for everyone, no coding experience required. You'll build cross-platform projects, gaining skills that transfer across tech environments. Our philosophy, learn by doing. Most of your time will be spent coding and solving real problems. Theoretical lessons provide context, but mastery comes from hands-on practice. Get ready. Your Python journey starts now. Python powers data science, AI, and the digital services we use daily. It's the backbone of recommendation engines at Netflix and Spotify, and the brains behind self-driving cars and voice assistants. Python's clean syntax and libraries make it ideal for building and training advanced models. In web development, frameworks like Django and Flask enable rapid, scalable app creation. Instagram runs on Django, proving Python's strength at scale. Python automates tasks and connects IoT devices, from smart homes to industrial systems. Its low barrier to entry and extensive support make it perfect for both hobbyists and professionals. Master Python, and you're building the future. Python's simple, readable syntax makes it easy to learn and powerful to use. The Zen of Python emphasizes clarity, helping you focus on problem solving, not syntax. Its object-oriented design lets you build modular, reusable, and scalable code. Python's open-source community keeps it modern and secure, with endless free resources. You're joining a global network of developers and learners. Python's cross-platform compatibility means your code runs anywhere, Windows, Mac, or Linux. This flexibility ensures your skills are always in demand. With Python, you're ready for any tech challenge. Python's power comes from its massive library ecosystem and supportive community. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and Django let you build anything, fast. For data science, web development, or AI, Python has industry-standard tools ready to use. Visualization libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn turn data into insights. The Python community is always there. Forums, blogs, and Stack Overflow offer instant help. You're never alone on your learning journey. With these resources, you can innovate and solve real-world problems. Guru School will show you how to leverage it all. At Guru School, we go beyond teaching Python. We prepare you for a tech career. Our 6 pillars of excellence guide you from learning to landing a job. 70% hands-on training bridges theory and real-world coding. Our curriculum evolves with industry trends, so you learn what employers want. You'll build projects, gain confidence, and be job-ready. We support your certification journey with study materials and mock tests. Earn credentials like the PSAP to stand out to employers. With Guru School, you're not just learning Python, you're launching your career. Landing a job in the competitive tech industry requires more than just technical skills. You need to present yourself as a polished and professional candidate. This is where our third pillar, resume preparation, comes into play. Your resume is often the first impression a potential employer has of you, and it needs to be perfect. Our team of experts will work with you one-on-one to craft a compelling resume that highlights your new Python skills, project experience, and unique strengths. We will help you tailor your resume to specific job descriptions, using industry keywords that catch the attention of recruiters and hiring managers. We go beyond simple formatting and grammar checks. We guide you on how to articulate your accomplishments and showcase the value you can bring to an organization. A great resume tells a story about your professional journey and your potential. We ensure your story is told in the most impactful way possible, transforming your resume from a simple document into a powerful marketing tool. With a professionally prepared resume from Guru School, you will stand out from the crowd and significantly increase your chances of securing an interview for your dream job. Once your resume gets you in the door, you need to ace the interviews. Our 4th and 5th pillars are designed to prepare you for this crucial stage vendor interview prep and client interview prep. Many tech roles involve working with staffing agencies or vendors before you even speak to the end client. Our specialized coaching for vendor interviews helps you build confidence and navigate these initial screenings with ease. We teach you how to effectively communicate your skills and experience, ensuring you make a strong impression and move on to the next round. You will learn to answer common questions and present yourself as a capable and reliable candidate. The final hurdle is often the technical client interview, which can be the most challenging part of the hiring process. Our client interview prep provides intensive training to ensure you are ready. We conduct mock technical interviews that simulate real-world scenarios, allowing you to practice your problem-solving skills under pressure. You will receive personalized, constructive feedback on your performance, helping you identify areas for improvement. We cover everything from technical deep dives and coding challenges to behavioral questions, so you are fully prepared for whatever comes your way. Our goal is to help you walk into every interview feeling prepared, confident, and ready to shine. The final pillar of our support system is dedicated to ensuring your long-term success once you have landed the job. Project support. Starting a new role can be intimidating, and the learning does not stop once you are hired. Our commitment to you extends beyond the classroom and the interview process. We provide ongoing mentorship and guidance to help you succeed in your first job assignments and real-world projects. When you encounter a challenge or a complex problem on the job, our team of experienced mentors is here to help you navigate it successfully. This support system is invaluable as you transition from a learner to a professional contributor. This continuous mentorship ensures you can apply the skills you learned in our course effectively and confidently in a professional setting. Whether you need help understanding a complex codebase, designing a new feature, or debugging a tricky issue, our project support acts as your safety net. This allows you to take on new challenges with the assurance that you have a team of experts backing you up. This pillar is about bridging the final gap between training and sustained career success, ensuring you not only get a job, but also thrive and grow within your new role. Together, these 6 pillars of excellence form a holistic and comprehensive approach to career development. We do not just teach you how to code in Python, we empower you with the skills, credentials, and confidence to build a thriving career in technology. From our hands-on IT training and certification support to our expert resume preparation and intensive interview coaching, every pillar is designed with your success in mind. Our final pillar of ongoing project support ensures that our relationship continues long after the course is over. We are your partners on this journey, invested in your growth every step of the way. At Guru School, we believe that education should be transformative. It should equip you with the tools you need to change your life and achieve your professional aspirations. Our 6-pillar framework is the embodiment of this belief. It is a proven system that has helped countless students transition into successful tech careers. By enrolling in our Python Programming Power course, you are not just signing up for a class. You are joining a supportive community and investing in a comprehensive program that is designed to turn your career goals into reality. We are here to ensure you learn, build, and ultimately, succeed. Every great journey begins with a single, crucial step. In week 1 of our Python Programming Power course, we lay the essential foundation for your coding adventure. You'll get comfortable with Python's environment and syntax, learning about its history, features, and why it's so popular. We guide you through installing Python, setting up Visual Studio Code, and exploring idle. You'll master core syntax, indentation, comments, variables, and data types. By week's end, you'll write interactive programs and gain confidence for what's next. In week 2, we introduce control flow, making your code intelligent with if, elif, and else statements and loops for automating tasks. You'll master for and while loops, break and continue, and even the unique for else block. Then, we shift to structuring data, manipulating strings, using lists and tuples, and creating concise lists with list comprehensions. These skills are essential for building dynamic, responsive Python programs. In week 4, you'll master Python's powerful data structures, dictionaries and sets. Dictionaries use key value pairs for intuitive data storage, while sets handle unique items and fast membership tests. You'll build practical projects like a student grades tracker and a contact book, making these concepts real. Explore set operations, union, intersection, and difference to solve real-world problems with just a few lines of code. By week's end, you'll confidently organize data for any project or career challenge. In week 5, we dive into functions, reusable blocks of code that make your programs clean and efficient. You'll learn to define your own functions, use parameters, and return results. We'll also explore Lambda functions and how they work with map and filter for concise data processing. Plus, we'll demystify recursion, functions that call themselves to solve complex problems. Finally, you'll organize your code with modules and discover Python's powerful standard library. Week 6 marks a major milestone in your programming journey as we dive into Object-Oriented Programming, or OOP. OOP is a powerful programming paradigm that structures code around objects, which are self-contained units that bundle together related data, called attributes, and behaviors, also known as methods. This approach is used to model real-world entities and is the foundation for building large, complex, and maintainable software systems. We begin by teaching you the fundamentals of defining classes, which act as blueprints for creating objects. You will learn how to create instances, the actual objects, from these classes, and how to use the special init method to initialize their state. Next, you will explore the concept of attributes, which are the variables that store data within an object. We will differentiate between instance attributes, which are unique to each object, and static or class attributes, which are shared among all instances of a class. You will gain a deep understanding of the self keyword, which is used within a class to refer to the instance itself, allowing you to access its attributes and methods. These core concepts will be brought to life through a practical demonstration, where we will build a car class with attributes like color and model, and methods like start engine and drive. One of the most powerful features of OOP is inheritance, which allows you to create a new class, a subclass, that inherits attributes and methods from an existing class, known as a superclass. This promotes code reuse and establishes a logical hierarchy between your classes. You will learn how to create subclasses and how to extend or override inherited methods to provide specialized behavior. For example, we might create a sports car subclass that inherits from our car class but adds a turbo boost method. This concept is fundamental to building flexible and extensible software frameworks, a hallmark of professional development. Finally, we will introduce the crucial principle of encapsulation. This is the practice of restricting direct access to an object's internal data and only exposing controlled access through methods. You will learn how to create private attributes and implement getter and setter methods to read and modify their values safely. This protects the integrity of your objects and makes your code more robust and easier to maintain. We will also touch upon the concepts of function and operator overloading, which allow you to define how your custom objects should behave with standard Python functions and operators, making your classes more intuitive to use. In Week 7, we dive into file handling and error management, core skills for real-world programming. You'll learn to read, write, and manage files, including working with JSON and perform basic directory operations. We'll cover exception handling using try, except, else, and finally blocks, so your code can handle errors gracefully. Finally, you'll connect Python to databases using SQLite, mastering CRUD operations to build data-driven applications. The Capstone project is the culmination of your journey, where theory becomes tangible creation. Develop a complete library management system using Python and SQLite. Gain experience in data-driven applications using object-oriented programming principles. Ensure your code is modular and scalable, reflecting industry best practices. Implement logging and exception handling for a robust system. Store information in an SQLite database, mastering critical developer skills. Completing your Capstone project is more than just an assignment, it's a powerful asset for your job search. In interviews, you can demonstrate your Python skills, walk employers through your app's architecture, and explain your design decisions. You'll showcase OOP, exception handling, and database integration, all in one project. This project builds your confidence and transforms you from a student into a builder. Host it on GitHub, add it to your resume, and let it open doors to your tech career. Guru School's Python Programming Power Course is your launchpad to a thriving tech career. From hands-on coding to building real projects, you'll gain the skills employers want. Imagine confidently presenting your project to a hiring manager, ready for real-world challenges. Our graduates leave with portfolios, interview skills, and job offers. The tech world is waiting. Start your journey today. At Guru School, we don't just teach, we empower. Our Python Programming Power Course is a transformative journey, guiding you from fundamentals to your dream tech job. Build real projects, gain hands-on skills, and create a portfolio that impresses employers. Join a supportive community, learn from mentors, and unlock your future as a Python developer. Visit guruschool.com and start your journey today.